back to my channel at Lisa J's World. I am Lisa, and today I have a Coach reveal. It's not necessarily a wish list item, but it is an item that I caught on the Coach.com website. It's a restored item, and it's in the fabric that I have fell in love with Coach, and it seems to be selling out more and more. And I also have another Coach bag reveal that I like to share in this video as well. But before I get into that, I would like to welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my channel. And if you're new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you and also to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so that you get new videos when I upload a new video. And then at the end of this video, you like this video, I encourage you to hit the like button. All right, guys, so let's get into this this beautiful bag. And as you can see, I got this from the Coach website, and it's a restored item. So the packing slip is in here. It is the restored poly crossbody in the signature canvas. And this is one of the colors that I have grown to really like in Coach, but I'm noticing that it's getting less and less available and only in a few items. So let's unravel this crossbody bag. It came in its, okay, it says Coach Reloved. This is, I think it's my second Reloved item. Nice silky bag. Oh, this is cute. It looks brand new. It feels brand new. It has a pocket on the back. Nice deep pocket. And that's fabric inside. And this is the inside. Doesn't look used. I don't know if you can see really good the lining on the inside. There's a pocket, slip pocket only on the inside, on the same wall as the zipper. And then we have the front pocket with the turn lock closure. What do you think, guys? It looks new. I like it. I like it. Came with a strap. It's crossbody strap. Let's measure this strap. Okay, so that's 48. So that's 24-inch crossbody strap. You can adjust it. Let's measure this. 10 inches. 10 inches long. 7 inches in height. And that's how deep it is. It opens pretty wide. Alright, guys. This is my restored poly crossbody and the signature canvas in the tan rust color. I love this color in the signature for Coach. Okay, so now, guys, I like to share my tote bag from Coach, which was inspired by this wallet here in my previous video. This is the Coach Slim Zip wallet. It has a zipper in the middle compartment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the ID 6. It has some openings here, which I like. It's a couple of secret compartments. It snaps. You open this side, and you got just as many credit card holders, and then also a couple of hidden compartments as well. And it snaps. That's the pebble leather. And the one I want to reveal is the Coach Smith Tote. This is a pebble leather, Coach pebble leather bag. It has a detachable strap to it. It has a front pocket big enough for your phone. The straps and the canvas straps outline the are layered on top of the pebble leather here on front and the back. Let me take this off for right now. It has a silver tone hardware. It has two slip pockets that are like almost like sunglass size, but not as long, but long enough to fit your sunglasses in there. And then on the back wall, you got the zip pocket only, which is a nice deep one. The wallet actually fits in there, and that's what I use it for when I'm carrying this bag. Yeah, and the strap, it doesn't have Coach on it, which is good because you can wear it with maybe something else if you need to. So that is the Coach Smith Tote. Now let me give you the measurements of this bag for those interested. Let me get my notes. Okay, so the Coach Smith Tote, this is the pebbled leather / silver / chalk multicolor. It is 13.5 inches long, 10 inches high, and 5 inches wide. And no feet. The canvas handles are 5 inches. And the detachable strap is 22.5 inches. And I've measured it, and it is definitely correct. Okay, guys, I'm trying to set this up. All right. So cute. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just hit me in the comment section. And until next time, guys, have a good week. Bye.